So I got this thing right here off of eBay, and it actually fixed the Xbox 360 disc. Cause I used to sell it. I used to sell on eBay, and I totally forgot when I sold this game. I sold it to the guy for like $7 on eBay, and he's complaining that his 360 doesn't read the disc. And I told him buy this thingy. He said no, he doesn't have enough money because it was like $80. So I used this. You know, I returned well, I didn't return it. He wanted a return. So he returned it, and I used this, and it fixed it. I will recommend you're using you know, one of these. Okay, look, I'm gonna test the game. So look, check this out. It's getting actually works. All right, watch this. Check this out. Look at this. So for those on eBay, I don't know, this is like a couple of years ago, way back. This guy was complaining that I'm a scam. No, I'm not a scam. Look at this. It works.